Hi everyone, welcome to the quick tutorial on some new functionality in JMARS. Today we're going to be showing you how to resize your main view to just see the surface of the body, meaning 0 to 360 or minus 180 to 180. As you can see when you first open JMARS, this is the view I get at zoom 32 ppd. You don't get to see the whole body. If you wanted to zoom out to see the whole body, you can do so, but you see that it repeats itself because it wraps around. So we're going to show you today how to just do the body without the repeat. So you can do this two ways. You can right click the main screen and go to resize entire surface, and you have two options, 0 to 360 or minus 180 to 180. So we'll do 0 to 360, and then you also have a PPD selection that you can choose from. Keep in mind they do get pretty large, so I'll try 4 PPD and see if that fits on my main screen. So you can see that it's adjusted my main screen to just show the surface body. My screen here that I'm using isn't actually quite large enough to see the whole thing, but if you scroll it over, you can see that it goes from 0 to 360. If you want to undo this, you can right click again and go to undo, and it'll bring you back to how you had it. The other option is going to the view, and you can see that the same option is there. But this time let's do minus 180 to 180, and we'll do 2 ppd just so you can see a difference there. And it makes the screen a lot smaller, and you can also do the undo there as well. So thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Hope you enjoy the new functionality. Bye.